Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about access specifiers. What is meant by access specifiers? Access specifiers will tell the visibility of some data members and visibility of some member functions. Fine. There are three types of access specifier. One is public and private and protected. Okay. First, public. There is no underscore in front of the variable or member function. Protected, there will be one underscore in front of the variable or member function. Private, there will be two underscore before the variable or member function. So if you are from Java or C++ background, there we use the keyword called public, protected, private. But in Python, we use underscore to denote the access specifiers. Okay, see here, class member access specifier, private member can be accessed only in the own class but cannot be accessed in the derived class and cannot be accessed in the outside of the class. Okay, that is by using the object. Okay, now protected members, access from own class, yes. Access from derived class, yes. But access by object, no. Fine. Public member can be accessed anywhere through the program. Okay, now this is for C++ and Java. Okay, this protected member is for C++ and Java. But in Python, there is no restriction that the protected member should always be inherited and used in the inherited class or in its own class. But also protected member can be accessed by using the object too. Okay, that is the behavior of Python, but there is no restriction. But still we want to use the protected members only by the inheritance. Okay, but there is still no restriction. Fine, we shall see that one by one in the examples. First, see this example. I have a class animal. Inside that I have used a constructor to store three names. First, name 1 is public because there is no underscore, and name 2 is protected and name 3 is private. Fine. Now print name. Inside this member function, I have public name 1, protected name 2, private name 3. Now class dog inherits animal. Inside that I have a member function. Inside that I am printing public name 1, protected name 2. And here I am commented. I will tell you in upcoming session. Just wait. D is equal to dog of German Shepherd. Now I am creating an object for dog which constructor will be executed for German Shepherd. Okay, name is equal to German Shepherd. So these all three variables, that is data members, contains German Shepherd. Now d dot print animal. Okay, d dot print animal. Whether all get printed? Yes, because private, protected, public, all three can be accessed in its own class, right? So it is correct. D dot print dog of, print public of name 1, print protector of name 2. So whether public and protected can be used in an inherited class? Yes. So it also gets executed. So what is the output? I just comment this. I will tell you this in later. We just see about the public and protected. Now the output is fine. Public German Shepherd, protected German Shepherd, private German Shepherd for the own class, and public German Shepherd, protected German Shepherd, public German Shepherd, protected German Shepherd. So see here, this 2 is for inherited class and this 2 is for object accessibility. Okay, see here, I just use some configuration. Bj here, inherit. Okay, now see here, public German Shepherd, protector German Shepherd, private German Shepherd is for own class. Okay, inherit public German Shepherd, inherit protector German Shepherd is for inherited class. Object public Shepherd and object protector German Shepherd is for object accessibility data members, right? So from this I can say that public and protector can be used in one class, can be used in inherited class, can be used in object accessibility too. Okay, let us see for the private member. Let us see for the private member. I just uncommented it and trying to run it. I got error. So there's a error when I call or when I make that private member, that is when I access the private member. Okay, when I access the private member, there is an error because it is the inherited class. Fine, so there's an error. Okay, let me comment this and let me execute this. Now too there is an error. Why? Because name3 is already private. It cannot be accessed in inherited class and it cannot be accessed in object accessibility too. For this line, the compiler says here there is no name3 present there because it is private, right? So it is not visible. Okay, this is the rule behind the access specifier. So this is the basic for data abstraction or data hiding, which will be seen in the later sessions. So this is the base. Now coming to the next example. Okay, we have studied that private members, then I cannot access the private members in inherited class and also I cannot access the private members outside the class also. Then how come I get the private members? I can use getter and setter method. See here, I have a class student. Inside that I have a constructor. Inside that I have given name. Now def getter return self dot underscore name. Whether this name is accessible in his own class, whether private member is accessible in own class. Yes. Def setter of x and self dot name is equal to x. Whether this private member is accessible in one class, yes, then the self dot name can be accessible inside the class. By using that, I am using two public functions. See here, these two are public member functions, so that I can access these public member functions outside of the class too, right? But I cannot access the private member function or data members. So I get these public member functions and get the values of that private members. So this is the way we will implement. Okay, see here, s is equal to student of s dot setter of Manoj, print s dot getter. What will the output? It will be Manoj, right? So this is the use of getter and setter method. Now coming to the second example, access specifiers control the visibility of class members too. Okay, it provides security to data, gives access to who can able to access and who retrieves it. Fine. Now see here, class student, inside that I have a display function. Okay, this is the method which is private because I have used 2 underscore here. Okay, now print Pirai. So this display can be accessed in its own class but not in outside of the class or inherited class. Fine, but I have tried to access it by using the object, so it's shown the error. Fine. Now how to access it? Same like the data members. I give a constructor, then by using that constructor I call that function. So the function is called and the output will be Pirai. Fine. Now at last, as we already told you that protector members can be accessed outside of the class too. Yes, this example proves that. See here, def display in front of there is 1 underscore, so it is protector member. Okay, so it is protected member function. Now inside that print Pirai, outside that class I created an object and I printed, sorry, and I called the display function using that object. But same code, if it is running in the C++ or Java, it lead to error. Okay, but in Python there is no restriction to protected members or protected data members or member functions. Okay, but it is not good practice. We always use this protected members for the inherited class, but Python have no restriction, and it proves that Python has no restriction towards the protected member functions or data members. See here, there is output. Okay, this is all about the access specifiers. Thank you.